Okay, guys, so welcome to my channel Macro Receptor, and today we are going to discuss about the efficiency of the steam turbine, which is a really very important topic. Clear? So, before discussing about this diagram of efficiency of the steam turbine, you must be aware about the concept of what is impulse turbine and what is reaction turbine. Clear? जो भी हम term use कर रहे हैं, that we are going to use to find the efficiency of the steam as well as the reaction turbine. Clear? So the first formula that we are having is diagram or blade efficiency. So diagram or blade efficiency is nothing. It is basically defined as a ratio of work done on the blade, work done on the blade to the energy supplied to the blade. Energy supplied to the blade. All of you know that the work done on the blade basically entirely depends upon how much energy we are supplying to the blade. So energy supplied to the blade. इस रेशियो को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We call it blade efficiency. Clear? And you all know that what is the value of work on the blade? Clear? तो उसका formula क्या होता है? Basically, it is the mass flow rate that we have. Clear? Multiply by VW, that is the velocity of whirl, plus VW1 inlet and outlet, VV, that is called blade velocity. Clear? Divided by energy supplied. All of us know कि जो energy हम देते हैं blade को, नोजल में आप प्रेशर को ड्रॉप करते हो, वेलोसिटी को इंक्रीज करते हो, और वही जो वेलोसिटी है, जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी है, वो हम यूज करते हैं टू मूव द ब्लेड. सो दैट इज बेसिकली योर काइनेटिक एनर्जी, दैट इज कॉल्ड 1/2 m v square. Clear? This v basically is known as what? V is known as absolute velocity. Absolute velocity basically means the velocity with which the steam comes out from the nozzle is called absolute velocity. So after rearranging, this will basically cancel out. What we are getting that the value of blade efficiency comes out to be equal to 2 multiplied by VW plus VW1 multiplied by blade velocity over absolute velocity square, that is called V square. This is called blade efficiency or also diagram efficiency. Clear? Next जो term है, that is called stage efficiency. Stage efficiency. So it is nothing but defined as a ratio of work done, clear, on the blade per kg of steam. It means basically we are saying that mass of the steam is 1 kg upon total energy supplied per stage. Now when I use the term stage, if I'm having a impulse turbine, the first part will be nozzle, second part will be the moving blade, and combinedly this entire setup is known as one stage. Clear? So if I put the formula of it, the value of ns from here, this will be equal to work done basically is VW plus VW1 multiplied by VB, that is called blade velocity. मैं यहाँ पे m यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ because it is basically per kg of steam. So that is 1 only upon total energy supplied per kg to the blade. तो जो आप टोटल एनर्जी सप्लाई कर रहे हो, दैट एंटायरली डिपेंड्स अपॉन कि आप नोजल में कितना प्रेशर को ड्रॉप करते हो, बिकॉज जितना हम प्रेशर को ड्रॉप करते हैं उतनी ही आपकी वेलोसिटी राइज करती है, एंड दैट इज एनर्जी दैट इज बेसिकली यूटिलाइज्ड एट द ब्लेड. सो एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स अपॉन द एंथैल्पी ड्रॉप. सो दैट विल बी बेसिकली H1 minus H2 enthalpy drop. Clear? But H basically is in kilojoules per kg, so we have to multiply this term by 1000. So this gives me the value of stage efficiency. H1 minus H2 multiplied by 100, clear, is the total energy supplied per kg per stage. Okay, तो ये आपके पास आ गया stage efficiency. Now the last formula basically is known as what? It is called, third one, nozzle efficiency. Nozzle efficiency. क्लियर? तो जो आपके पास टर्म है नोजल एफिशिएंसी, ये बहुत सिंपल है. इट इज नथिंग बट द एनर्जी सप्लाइड टू द ब्लेड. क्लियर? वो बेसिकली क्या है? काइनेटिक एनर्जी जो सप्लाई करते हो नोजल में, तो वो क्या होती है? 1/2 v square upon total energy supplied per stage, that we already know is h1 minus h2 multiply by 100. So if you guys look at it only, नोजल में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नोजल में हम लोग प्रेशर को ड्रॉप करते हैं और वेलोसिटी को इंक्रीज करते हैं. तो नोजल के आउटलेट पे क्या होता है? हमको क्या मिलता है? हमको मिलती है काइनेटिक एनर्जी. और वो क्यों मिलती है? क्योंकि हमने वहां पे एंथैल्पी को ड्रॉप किया है, h1 माइनस h2. तो इसी की जो रेशियो है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नोजल एफिशिएंसी. 1/2 v स्क्वायर h1 माइनस h2 1000. क्लियर? तो हम यहाँ पे एम ले रहे हैं. इट मींस बेसिकली वी आर अज्यूमिंग दैट मास इज 1 kg. Clear? So this is all about the three different efficiencies we are having. Now one question that is basically very important, इन तीनों में आपस में क्या रिलेशनशिप है? ब्लेड में, स्टेज में और नोजल एफिशिएंसी में आपस में क्या रिलेशन आता है? क्लियर? So to understand the concept of it, so we now all know that what is the formula of blade efficiency? It is M VW plus VW1 into VB over 1/2 M V square. So after cancelling this, we are having 2 VW plus VW1 multiplied by VB over V square. And the formula of stage efficiency, we all know, is basically equals to what? It is VW plus VW1 multiplied by VB, as we all know, over 1000 H1 minus H2. And the last one, nozzle efficiency, is equals to 1/2 V square over 1000 H1 minus H2. तो इनमें रिलेशन क्या है? To find that, just use the formula of stage efficiency. So in this formula, NS, if I put VW plus VW1 into VB as it is, divide by 1/2 V square, multiply by same term 1/2 V square, and the remaining term as it is as 1000 H1 minus H2. So I'm doing nothing. I'm just multiplying this term by 1/2 V square. Clear? On both sides of it, up and down. So what we are getting out of it, this thing represents the relation of blade efficiency with M1 only. So अगर mass 1 रहेगा, this will represent the value of what? Blade efficiency. Multiply by 1/2 V square, this thing basically represents the value of nozzle efficiency. So from here we are getting a relation that stage efficiency will be equal to multiplication of blade and multiplication of the nozzle. So this is a really very important concept from the numerical as well as from the competition point of view, that what is the relation between these three different efficiencies that we are having. Okay, so this is all about it, and that is all for today from my side. And guys, please, if you like the video, please share the video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, that is McRae Receptor. Thank you very much. Need your support, so please subscribe. Thank you.